now. Shop early Black Friday electric car jack kit 5-ton 12-volt with impact wrench portable electric jack car jack hydraulic. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Short features highlight or overview are include. NTH Power Electric Car Jack Hydraulic makes changing tires easy in emergency, a must for road trip. Conventional ways of changing tires are probably the worst job for car owners. Our electric car jack can make it simple. All you have to do is plugging in the car jack cable to the cigarette lighter and the jack will provide sufficient torque to raise the vehicle without any manual labor. Then you can use our impact wrench to change tires. Why choose our NTH Power Electric Car Jack? 1. Help to reduce the trouble of changing car tires. 2. Carry out easily with compact and easy to use jack kit. 3. Prepare for the emergency of tire problems. 4. Great design, all for your safety and convenience. 5. Essential for travel. If you want to get full features and full details of electric car jack kit 5-ton 12-volt with impact wrench portable electric jack car jack hydraulic, please visit the link in YouTube description.